Hey there, welcome to our video discussing the hurdles and triumphs of implementing Agile practices in the federal government. Agile methodologies bring flexibility, but in the bureaucratic realm of government, challenges like stringent regulations and hierarchical structures can impede progress. Compliance with strict regulations requires careful navigation and adaptation of Agile principles. Constant communication and education on Agile nuances pave the way for regulatory alignment. Overcoming top-down decision-making structures through cross-functional teams fosters collaboration and empowerment. Shifting focus from rigid hierarchy to Agile team autonomy fuels innovation and efficiency. By tackling these challenges head-on, the federal government can harness the power of Agile methodologies for improved efficiency and effectiveness.